Samsung lock screen customization in One UI 8.5 gives you a much more flexible and modern way to personalize your phone experience. With deeper control over design, widgets, and shortcuts, you can turn a simple lock screen into something both functional and visually impressive on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI. To begin, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Long press on an empty area until the customization menu appears. Tap Wallpaper and Style, then select Lock Screen Preview. From here, choose Customize or Edit Lock Screen. This opens the full lock screen editor where all changes are made. Next comes the clock customization, which is one of the most noticeable upgrades. Tap directly on the clock to open style options. You can switch between horizontal layouts, bold digital fonts, or minimal clean designs depending on your preference. You can also adjust the font style, color, and size. One UI 8.5 also allows more freedom in positioning, so you can drag the clock around the screen or align it creatively with your wallpaper. On supported models, the adaptive clock effect lets the time blend behind subjects in your wallpaper for a more depth-like visual experience. After that, you can enhance functionality by adding lock screen widgets. Inside the editor, tap the widget section located under the clock. You'll see options such as weather, calendar events, battery status, and music controls. Select the widgets you use most often and place them in a clean layout. Once done, tap Save or Done to apply. Shortcuts are another important feature. In the bottom left and bottom right corners of the lock screen editor, you can assign quick launch apps. Common choices include camera, phone, flashlight, or any installed app. These shortcuts make it faster to access essential tools without unlocking your phone. Wallpaper customization is also heavily improved. Tap the wallpaper section and choose between gallery images, dynamic wallpapers, or AI-generated backgrounds on supported devices. You can preview how everything looks together before applying changes. One UI 8.5 enhances AI wallpaper generation for more personalized and adaptive designs. Finally, once everything is set, tap Done to save your setup. Press the power button to lock your phone and view your newly customized lock screen. You now have a personalized, stylish, and functional interface that reflects your taste while improving everyday usability. This setup not only makes your phone look better, but also helps you access important features faster and more efficiently.